I'm so done, I take my blood and drop that in your bin. I've been thinking about your life since I was just a kid. Pussy niggas always talking cause they got no bling. I don't worry about no